I'm back, baby. What's going on? I'm so excited to be back. I 6 months since I have had the freedom of driving my van around the city from parking lot to parking lot, aimlessly going nowhere because there's really nowhere to go. You're driving your home, but your brain feels like you gotta go somewhere. Anyways, quick update for those of you who don't follow the channel or you're new to the channel. And thank you for already hitting that subscribe button, by the way. That's awesome. If you guys could help me get to 1,000 subscribers so I can make little stories and I could go live and I don't have to sit there and make these perfectly edited videos because my editing skills are so good, I know that, but it would be nice to be able to just go live, you know, just take my phone and say, click live. Hey guys, what's going on? Look at this place I found, it's awesome. I can't do that until I hit 1,000 subscribers, so. And I can't do like community, I can't have a community tab where I can just update things, throw up pictures, you know, and just keep things live and updated like on a daily basis, which I would love to do. I'm on TikTok and Instagram all day long, but I can't do it with YouTube, and it's very frustrating. So help me get to 1,000 subscribers, I highly appreciate it. Anyways, for those of you who don't know, I lost my transmission in September. I had just enough money to replace it, and then about 2 weeks later my motor died, water in the oil. Did not know that was happening. Both cylinder heads were cracked. Both of them were cracked, and yeah, I found that out after about a month ago. I brought to the machine shop I was gonna rebuild it myself, and I had the cylinder heads magnafluxed, and the guy said they're cracked, they're no good. And I said, what about the block? He said, you know, it's a 305, you're probably just better off go finding another core somewhere, and blah blah blah. It's all right, whatever. So I ended up buying another one, and of course I had to wait for those funds to come in, which means I gotta wait for customers to call me, I gotta go do the job. And this was a really bad winter because it was a very mild winter, and I make money when it's very, very cold and when it's very, very warm. One of the two. So finally I get a job, I get a break, and I buy the motor. I relocate to Raleigh, Mass from Peabody, Mass, and I rented some lot space in a yard, an industrial yard, just so I could do the work. Anyways, I did the work, I got the motor in, it's running, here we are, we're back. And I'm no longer just preaching to you from the inside of a van, being very, very quiet while I do with my big bright light, and everything is super stealth, and I gotta go outside and I gotta check the van to make sure there's no light leaks, you know? Horrible, horrible. So anyways, I'm here now. I get to bring you guys around to all my locations that I used to go to, that I used to live at, you know, from Revere to Chelsea to Lynn to, I mean, you already been to Peabody with me, but still, you know, Warren Street, you know, I can go back to the lot that I was originally at, and I can kind of show you guys what it looks like. I couldn't really do this stuff before, you know? While I'm in the lot, I couldn't do this because I'm in a residential lot that was parked and full of cars, and we can't just go for walks around the lot just chit-chatting. Anyways, I'm happy to be out. And I do say that like I was in prison. I am happy to be out. It feels really, really, really good to just be able to experience what I love and what I was telling you guys about and how I was preaching about, but I couldn't show you. I couldn't bring you along with me. I couldn't wake up in the morning, grab the camera, and just start filming my day, because one, I was in a massive depression, because when you live inside of a van and the van's not mobile and you're just living in it, it would be like living in that. That's to me, that's how it feels. It'd be like, just you go home, you got a nice little lamp and a bed, and you know, maybe a battery for electricity. You know, look, see, they're the same color. You see what I'm saying? It's just, you know, I could put the generator on the dumpster. You know, if I put the generator on the dumpster, then we would, yeah, we'd be in the same situation. You know, that's all I'm saying. So it's good to be back. I'm glad I can take you guys around with me, and a lot of you who are afraid and unsure about that life, and oh my God, I don't know if I can do it, I want to do it so bad, right? Well, okay. Now I get to bring you guys along with me and really be able to say, hey, here's the parking lot I'm at today. Why am I at this parking lot? Well, X, Y, and Z. You know, take a look. Da da da. Blah blah blah. This particular parking lot, it's not. It belongs to the field over here, which is the city Manning Field, Lynn, Massachusetts. So I'm just here to get away from all the traffic and all the noise. However, I might have run into the wind. So I'm gonna keep this video short just in case all the audio is completely destroyed by this lovely wind, and I hope it's not. Hope my little muff here. Take a look. No, I don't want to do that. So I'm back. That's all I gotta say is I'm back, and I got a bunch of videos to come, like, soon. I know it's been on, what, a month almost since I made a video, and that's just because I've been working literally daily on this van, and I'll just brief you on it, and I'll probably make another video about the details. But bolts, the number of money, I don't know how much money I spent on bolts, nuts and bolts, things that I just didn't. When I broke down my original motor, I mean, I know now. When I broke down my original motor, everything, I should have just bought a bag of Ziplocs, right? And labeled them. Water pump, alternator, power steering, intake manifold. And like, when I took the bolts out, bag it. Took the bolts out, bag it. Bolts, hoses, adapters, fittings, all types of different things. Things that got thrown away. My oil dipstick tube that got ripped out. My computer had to be reprogrammed because I went from a 305 to a 350. And I had to send that out to, I sent it out to Garrett Tuning in Ohio. Thank you. Couple quick, cool little tunes in there. You can go on the website and you just look it up. But one is that it shifts firmer, which is good because instead of a prolonged softer shift that makes the clutches rub. Anyways, it's good. It's all good. So right now I am dealing with a P0300 code, which is a random misfire code, and I have the same code on my other car, which absolutely sucks. It could be very simple or it could be very ugly, but as of right now I am highly, viciously paranoid with my motor. I know it's a brand new motor, I'm aware of that, but because I went through such an ordeal with a motor that just died, here, come on in here, with a motor that died, I'm like literally paranoid that the same thing that happened originally could happen again, and I could just end up in this horrible situation, and it just sucks. So I'm back, and hopefully you guys will bring me up to 1,000 subscribers so I can go live. That's something I would love to do. Live videos would be so awesome. So help me do that. Also, stories, like YouTube stories and a community tab where I can live updates, take pictures of things, whenever I buy something, whenever I'm about to fix something. You know, you get like a preview to the video that's coming, that type of thing. Oh God, please help me get there. Other than that, oh, it's good to be back. It really, really, really is. And I gotta do another electric video, a power video. I know I got 2 of them, but when I watch them, I watch all my videos, and I watch all my videos. I watch them back, and I look at how I sound and talk, and that's, you know, you got to get judgmental of yourself. So all both my power videos are very messy. One I did was in a gas station right on the highway. It was very noisy. The generator was running most of the time. So that video to me is absolute trash. The second video was just, it was just like me pointing at everything, you know? So I want to make a more detailed kind of video. I realize there's a lot of people that have no idea about batteries and inverters and power in general. I mean, I got electricity. I got all types of lights and power and strips just like I'm in a house. And I think I need to go over that from the outside, from the generator, all the way through the vehicle. You know what I mean? Where everything. And I haven't done that, and I really need to do that. I would like to do that. All right, guys, that's it for this video. I'll probably throw up another one tomorrow because I gotta do X, Y, and Z. You'll know when you see the video. But that's it. Thanks for watching. Mwah! I love you all, and I'm back, baby!